uprightness, loyalty, practicality. In the past 2 decades, being able to walk this far, Shuotai has been always adhering to such concepts. In the process of deepening the industry, Shuotai always adheres to strict quality control and continuous technological innovation. In 2018, Shuotai Baiyun Office Administration Center was officially put into operation, and in 2020, the new production base in Lechang City was officially put into operation. While the enterprise is expanding and progressing, Shuotai is committed to extending to a wider product field and bringing more value to customers wholeheartedly. Shuotai has a complete management system and has more than 10 professional functional departments. As an expert in extrusion-type material technology, Shuotai is specialized in providing customers with highly matching customized product services. Relying on the corporate advantages of leading technology, quality, and service, it is able to provide customers with high-quality products efficiently and professionally. Shuotai is mainly engaged in various extruded plastic products, edge band, profiled edge band, kitchen waterproof components, and roller shutter series. Shuotai's 2 production bases cover a total area of about 50,000 square meters, of which the Huadu factory has an annual output of 10,000 tons, and the Lechang factory has an annual production capacity of 30,000 tons. Now, it has more than 30 new automated machinery and equipment production lines, including extrusion, casting, printing, slitting, and other modern workshop lines. With rich and professional management experience and strictly controlled product quality, Shuotai has pushed its products to the international, modern, and standardized stage. Currently, Shuotai's sales network has radiated to all over the world. While setting up distribution departments in many places in China, the products are also exported to Eastern Europe, Southeast Asia, South America, North America, Africa, and other foreign markets, and have won praise from many customers. In the past 2 decades, Guangzhou Shuotai has always maintained its original intention and continued to reform and innovate in order to realize the corporate purpose of serving customers with all heart and creating win-win value. This is Guangzhou Shuotai, furniture hardware experts with hearts.